since 2021, we have been planning to launch a multi-level marketing business. Siguro may perfect timing ang lahat kasi yung 2021 medyo maliit pa yung planta namin that time. Now here comes 2023 with our bigger manufacturing plant, and with the help of Doc Edgar, Doc Beth, and Doc June, and with the rest of the team sa planta, finally we have realized that business, and now that is HBWW International. Ang kagandahan lang din sa business natin with HBWW International is that kahit wala pa kami, lahat ng mga tao gumagamit na nito. Diba? Like, ito, example, dishwashing liquid. So, lahat ng tao, lahat ng bahay may dishwashing liquid. The question now is, how much are they earning when they use this kind of product? So, ganon. Like, toilet bowl cleaner. Meron tayo. Ito, powder detergent. So, kagandahan ng powder detergent natin is, kahit ibabad lang yung mga labahan for 15 minutes, lumilitaw na yung dumi. Diba? Ganito yung toilet bowl cleaner nga natin, meron to siyang degreaser, so kaya tanggal talaga yung mga dumi sa CR. Then ito, meron tayong perfume. Yung perfume natin is guaranteed ito within 24 hours mag-last talaga yung scent sa damit. So ang scent natin is sa HBWW International lang din mabili ito. So kami lang ang gumawa ng scent nito, diba? So, meron pa tayong mga, from head to toe yung products natin, ha. Meron tayong shampoo, ha. Meron tayong hair grower, meron din tayong, foot spray, ha. So, kung sino yung mga mababaho yung paa, pwede rin ito, diba? So, parang basic products na ginagamit sa loob ng bahay. Ngayon, ang ginawa ni HBWW is parang, sige, gumamit ka nito ng mga products, ipagpatuloy nyo ng paggamit, magkakaroon ka na ng rebates, magkakaroon ka ng incentives, di ba? Parang nagdagdag lang tayo ng system para tagabili mo ng product, may kita na balik sa iyo. Di ba?
Three to 5 years from now, I am very optimistic that HBWW will be recognized in the field of multi-level marketing. Number 1, in beauty industry. Number 2, in household products. And number 3, in wellness. I am very positive that HBWW International will be on top because of its people, the product, and the quality-wise, because HBWW has its own manufacturing plant. And I must say that you are very fortunate that you are here and be one of our future millionaires in HBWW International.
HBWW International is a business for everyone.
Yes.
So, you might be a housewife, a student, or a retired person, or kahit may trabaho ka, magandang i-add si HBWW as an additional source of income.
Yes. Sa panahon ngayon, hindi po pwede na nanay lang tayo, na nasa bahay lang, nag-aalaga ng mga bata. Dapat po, tinutulungan natin yung mga asawa natin how to have an extra income kasi mahirap po ang buhay ngayon. Ginawa po namin sa HBWW International sa halagang 999 pesos, you can have your own business na po. So, affordable lang po talaga siya. Kasi yung product naman natin is pwede sa bahay, household, and pampaganda. So, sa mga nanay dyan, pwede nyo po i-post online or dun sa mga kapitbahay. So, ano na talaga siya? Sulit na siya for only 999 may negosyo ka na at may income ka pa.
Isa tong magandang opportunity sa lahat. Bakit? Hindi lahat ng multi-level marketing ganito lang ka-affordable yung business package, di ba?
Yes.
Tulad namin, bago lumago yung business namin, bago kami lumaki, yung capital lang namin pag start namin ng business is less than 1,000 pesos.
Yes.
So, ang ginawa lang talaga namin, yun lang, benta. Kasi wala namang mawawala sa atin. At ang atin lang naman is, paano tayo magkaroon ng extra income? Walang extra income pag walang extra effort. So, with this business model, you'll have your own business at 999 pesos, magandang opportunity na ito para lumago yung business nyo at mas gumanda yung buhay nyo. Kasi isa to sa mission namin, to share the opportunity to everyone to start a business and really earn an extra income and improve the quality of life.
Yes, yung income mo nakadepende sa effort mo.
Yes, hindi sa amin.